In this video, we're going to cover working with candles when writing your trading strategy. So there's two different ways to kind of call the candle data. One is with a variable, and the other is with a function. So the first one with the variable is kind of explained here. We have bth.currentCandle.open. So as it kind of says, it's only going to give you the current candle data. So you can pull the volume, the close. Actually, they're all listed up here. And just to kind of elaborate more on this list here, all of these will be available if you downloaded data from Binance. And if you imported from CSV, all of these true will definitely be there. And these false ones here might be there if it was included in your CSV dataset. Okay. The other way to call the candles, other than the variable, is the function. So we have this getCandles function. The function itself has 3 parameters, of which 2 are mandatory. The first parameter is a string, and it's kind of what data do you want, what candle data do you want. You have the open, the close, all the things that are described here. And our second parameter is start. In our example, we chose 0, which would be the candle right now. Of course, if we chose 5, it's 5 candles ago. And in end, we chose 7. So in our example of 0 and 7, we will get back 7 candles, starting from right now. Okay. Perfect. One extra thing to explain is this all keyword inside the candle data. This whole thing in general returns an array. No matter what you put in, except for the all keyword, you will get an array of integers. Okay, so in our case here, we'll get, and if we use open 07, we'll get the open price in an array of 7 integers, so the last 7 open prices. Cool. Now if you use the all, you're going to get exactly the same array and 7 of them, but it will be an object. Okay? This object will include all of these here, and then you can kind of pinpoint the ones that you want to do. It's a little bit hard to grasp right now, so let's go maybe more into detail with an example. So the first one that we'll kind of call here is the variable path. So let's say current close price equals will be our BTH. We can see our current candles, and then of course we probably grab the close. But nice, our IDE auto-completes for us because he sees all these which match up to, of course, these over here. So we'll put in the close. The other route to show is with the function. So I already have this kind of written up. We'll call the bth.getCandles function. Set up all, let's grab the close, and 0, 3. So if we were to console log this and run it, we should see a bunch of arrays with 3 integers inside each, representing the current close, the last close, and the close before it. So let's give that a shot. I already coded up this strategy in Trading Strategies. It's called Candle Example, and we'll run it on Ethereum, and there we go. So we can see each candle iteration. This would be the current candle, and the last candle, and the one before it. With this going down, going future in time. So of course this one should match up to this one, and this one should match up to 2 away to that one. So okay, that works. Now I wanted to kind of cover what that all keyword would bring us, and we'll keep it at 3. So we should still get an array, but instead of integers like we have here, we should get objects. So let's go ahead and run that again on the candle example on Ethereum dataset, and you can see, let's scroll up, we have an array with 3 objects inside. 1, 2, 3. Cool. So a reason why you might use the all is if your strategy needs the close, the open, and the volume, then you would need to do something like close and open and for example, copy and paste and volume and have 3 different variables and do that call 3 times. Instead, we can of course do the all call and kind of break it down. So here's an example of what that might be. We're going to get back a variable, an array of course, call the close, for example, and let's say we wanted the 1, like so 1 back and the open, and I don't know, 2 back of the volume, and we can do something like this. Close. Alright. Open and volume. Perfect. And we'll run our little testing strategy again. Alright, candle example. Cool. I forgot to put a space there, but we can see, you know, our things are targeted just as we expected to target them. Alright, so if you scroll down a little bit more on the website, by the way, to get here, you go to BacktestJS.com, the documentation, right, trading strategy and working with candles. And there's a few more examples if you want to read a little bit more into it to see what kind of different things can be achieved. But the video, for the most part, covers all of the different ways of targeting your candle data when running your strategy. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give a like, comment, subscribe. We're always adding new videos with real life strategies. We take these strategies and give it a lot of different multi-values, run it over traditional stock, run it over crypto, see how these strategies do. It's not only the one day, of course, multiple time intervals, multiple symbols. Luckily the app makes it very, very easy to do that. You can do it all in one click. So yeah, we're constantly updating these videos and showing what strategies really do work across the board and what strategies need to be focused and what strategies just don't work at all.